In ANSYS Spaceclaim, you'll see many speed and workflow improvements, making your 3D modeling and prep for simulation tasks easier than ever. Make precise measurements comparing two models. Spaceclaim now has expanded functionality within the deviation tool, from comparing any two models where they differ visually, whether a faceted or solid body, but now probe for the deviation. This allows users to make precise measurements and determine whether a model is within tolerance. Probing is also available within the draft analysis tool as well. Bring realism to your models without rendering. Now on by default, Spaceclaim adds more visualization to a design, whether it's imported geometry or a new design. Users will notice models having a realistic and dynamic appearance through ambient lighting and shadow effects. Spaceclaim offers faster, more robust mid-surfacing. Many improvements have been implemented in extracting zero-thickness shell bodies from solid geometry. Mid-surfaces now extract 5 times faster, and issues seen between sections missing or duplicate shell bodies created have been resolved. Additionally, users now have the option to extract the top or bottom surface from a solid part. This is helpful in creating connections with a sheet metal assembly. Aside from the 20+ file types Spaceclaim imports, Spaceclaim now supports the latest version of SketchUp, along with the best 3D rendering software to create amazing visuals, with KeyShot 9. KeyShot brings you real-time 3D rendering that displays results instantly and reduces the time to create realistic product visuals. Spaceclaim now allows users to create expressions to link sketch dimensions to each other. This is helpful when creating complex sketches on its own and even more beneficial within block recording. Users can control the dimensions label for easier management down the road. In addition to this, the new Auto Constraint tool will help add constraints to sketches that may be under-constrained, allowing users to finalize their sketch quickly and get to 3D modeling. Spaceclaim's enhanced smoothing capabilities makes working with STL data easy and enjoyable to every engineer. Whether you're reverse engineering a model in preparation for manufacturing or simulation, new smoothing operations is an invaluable addition to your toolbox. Regardless of your goal, you'll find answers with enhanced features in Spaceclaim, invaluable to any engineering workflow. Working with the improved deviation probing tool or Spaceclaim's faster and more robust mid-surfacing capabilities has never been quicker or easier. You will be productive with this tool from the start.